Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a hunter's chicken tray bake. Super simple, just a matter of chucking everything onto a tray and whacking it in the oven. So we're going to start off by cutting up 4 baking potatoes, probably into 2cm cubes. We want to keep them quite small so they cook properly in the oven. So I'm just going to cut through these, then cut them into cubes. This is kind of the size you're looking for, something like this. And just repeat this until you cut through all of them. Just going to chuck them onto the baking tray, spread them all out, grab your chicken breasts, and we're just going to butterfly these out. Butterflying them out is just going to help them cook a little bit quicker. So all you've got to do is grab a chicken breast and just cut across like so. It's going to look something like that. Just do the same with the other ones. All the chicken breasts are nicely butterflied now. Gonna get them onto the tray. I'm gonna go and wash my hands real quick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna season this up, salt, black pepper. Be quite generous with it. And what I've also got is a blend. It's a smoky barbecue seasoning. I'm gonna get some of that on there as well. Just coat the chicken and potatoes in it. What we're gonna do is just rub all this in now. Make sure everything's getting a bit of seasoning. Right, hands nice and clean, washed. We're gonna now smother these chicken breasts in barbecue sauce, spoon it on, and just spread it all over. We're going to take our bacon, 1 slice on each chicken breast. Maybe, in fact, maybe 2 on each chicken breast. Let's be generous with it. It looks a little bit big at the moment, but it will shrivel up when cooking, so don't worry about it overlapping, it's fine. And then what we're going to do, we're just going to cover the whole lot of this in cheese. I've got a blend of cheddar and mozzarella, and we're just going to be really generous, get it all over, because we all know cheese makes absolutely everything better. Look at that. Okay, another hand wash, and then that is ready to go straight into the oven for about 45 minutes. At 180. Look at that. Just going to finish it off. Bit of green on there, some chives, make it look pretty. And then I think it's time to plate up a portion. Let's move this over. Few more chives on there. They look pretty. So, barbecue sauce on there as well to finish it off. And there you have it. Look at that. I think it's time to cut into this now then. That is banging.